Hello students, this is your adjective lesson adjectives degrees of comparison. As we earlier know that adjectives you have learned already, but in adjectives what you have learned that it tells more about a noun or the subject, right? But here when we are comparing the adjectives, that means there are three types of degrees: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree, right? We have a habit of comparing things. कोई भी चीज़ को हम कंपेयर तो हमेशा करते रहते हैं, बट व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन these three degrees that we will find out today here in your unit 11 of textbook. So there was no king as great as Akbar. Suppose the lesson is about Akbar and you must have read these lines many times about the king and their kingdom. So this is a positive degree it's showing. And if it is a comparative degree with the same sentence if you want to make, then the comparative degree जो होती है आपकी वो दो लोगों में कंपैरिजन करेगी. जैसे नो किंग वॉज ग्रेटर देन अकबर. ओके, नो किंग, वाई? बिकॉज देर इज दूसरा कोई कंपैरिजन करने के लिए किसी का नाम नहीं दिया है, सो इट विल स्टार्ट विथ नो किंग वॉज ग्रेटर देन अकबर. सुपरलेटिव डिग्री जब आपको करनी है उसमें एक बात हमेशा याद रखनी है कि यू हैव टू ऑलवेज इट विल बी यूज्ड विथ द. ओके, अकबर वॉज द ग्रेटेस्ट किंग. द इज नीडेड इन इट, then it is always a superlative degree. Suppose I am now here in textbook you are having the second sentence, that is no one is as hardworking as my mother, right? मेरी मम्मी से ज़्यादा हार्डवर्किंग कोई भी नहीं है. ये हो गई पॉजिटिव डिग्री. नो वन मतलब कोई भी नहीं है. सो कंपेरेटिव डिग्री, नो वन इज मोर हार्डवर्किंग देन माई मदर. My mother is the most hardworking person. Why it is person now? Because there is no one in comparison and it is a kind of thing. Like यहाँ पे मम्मी जो है वो एक पर्सन है, इसलिए यहाँ पे पर्सन आएगा. अकबर एक राजा था इसलिए उसके बारे में हमें राजा यूज करना पड़ा. Then when no comparison is made, it is said to be in positive degree. सुजाता इज अ क्लेवर गर्ल. ऐसा अगर है कोई भी कंपेरेटिव, उसका वर्जन नहीं है या कंपैरिजन उसका किसी के साथ हमें करना नहीं है, तो इट इज कॉल्ड एज पॉजिटिव डिग्री. व्हेन टू पर्सन्स और थिंग्स ऑफ द सेम क्लास आर कंपेयर टुगेदर वी यूज इट एज कंपेरेटिव डिग्री. जैसे हमें वर्ड दिखाता है कंपेरेटिव मतलब कोई भी चीज़ों की तुलना करना, दैट इज मीन्स कंपेरेटिव डिग्री. The comparative degree is generally followed by the conjunction then. क्योंकि कोई भी दो चीज़ों में हमें अगर तुलना करनी है तो इससे अच्छा वो कहने के लिए हमें इससे अच्छा ये कहने के लिए जैसे हमें हिंदी वर्ड यूज़ करना होता है, वहीं पे यहाँ पे कंजंक्शन आएगा देन. शी इज़ वाइजर देन हर सिस्टर, राइट? वो उसकी बहन से ज़्यादा होशियार है. या फिर यू कैन से दैट कंपेरेटिव डिग्री कैन समटाइम्स बी यूज्ड विदाउट देन ऑल्सो. शी इज़ वाइजर ऑफ द टू गर्ल्स. मतलब अगर किसी को दो गर्ल्स हैं, सपोज मेहताज आर हैविंग टू डॉटर्स, ओके, फादर ऑफ टू डॉटर्स, बट द एल्डर वन इज वाइजर ऑफ द टू गर्ल्स. सो दैट वे व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग एनीथिंग एक्स्ट्रा specific about someone else in comparative degree, then there is no need to use then. You will have to just use it a comparative version of the word, that is wise हुआ उसका comparative हुआ wiser. और इस तरह से आपको आगे जाकर देखना है तो the poor fellow had seen happier days. happy, happier, happiest, ये हो गई उसका फॉर्म डिग्री का, पॉजिटिव, कंपेरेटिव एंड सुपरलेटिव. इसका एक लिस्ट मैं आपको एक्स्ट्रा दे दूंगी. देन यू विल फाइंड आउट हाउ टू कंपेयर इट एंड हाउ द डिग्रीज आर कंपेयर्ड विद द गिवन एडजेक्टिव्स. करेक्ट? The second thing, when we are talking about when two persons or things of the same class are compared, it is said to be in the superlative degree. Akbar was the greatest king, right? So this is the example, Akbar was the greatest king. When you are talking about yourself, you may be thinking that I am the smartest girl in the class. Okay, so I am the smartest. There is no comparison between someone, two or three, but in the class. So the class is important over there, and the superlative degree will be always followed by est, and or either it may be different than that. मोस्ट भी वर्ड उसमें लग जाते हैं, जैसे कई सारे वर्ड्स होते हैं कि जिसमें आपको सुपरलेटिव डिग्री के लिए क्लेवरेस्ट में जैसे देखने जाओगे तो EST लगेगा, देन मोस्ट, ब्यूटीफुल, मोर कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में लगेगा। इस तरह से आपको वो चार्ट भी एक फॉलो करना रहेगा। द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री इज प्रेसिडेड बाय द एंड फॉलोड बाय ऑफ, एज शैला is the cleverest of all the girls, but we can also say Shela is the cleverest girl. So these are the two ways of writing that superlative degree. In short, degrees of comparison में what is it? डिग्री मतलब मात्रा, किसी भी चीज को आप कैसे कंपेयर करोगे उसके वो एक मात्रा हुई, और यू कैन से दैट देयर इज three types. It is divided in three types: positive, comparative and superlative. We form comparatives by adding er or more. Now let's see more detail about the comparative degree. For example, big, bigger, ये मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया. Deep, deeper, beautiful, more beautiful, comfortable, more comfortable, right? Adjective which are bigger are more than 2 syllables. Form the comparative by adding the word more. Some adjectives form their comparatives in an irregular way. Suppose there is good, then better, little, less, bad, worse, and much, more, many, more. So this way we have to compare the adjectives in an irregular way also, that we will नो विद द प्रैक्टिस। इसके लिए आपको वर्ड का प्रैक्टिस होना चाहिए। आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि मैम ये हमें कैसे पता चलेगा, दैट विल you will have to read the page I will send you, and that way you will have to read it. So your practice of sentences will make you expert in that. Complete the sentences using the comparative form. I have seen many tall buildings, but the buildings in the Newark are taller, right? Taller than anything else, but the word here is important, that is taller. The flight over the mountains was rather short. I had expected it was short. I had mountains was rather short. I had expected it longer. This is one way opposite word also. Please give me some sugar. I like my coffee to be sweeter. If your coffee or tea you are taking is having less sugar, then what you will ask? I like my coffee to be more sweeter. Don't walk slowly. I know you can be faster. Be faster can be used here, or be faster. Let's coming to the point. I have started again, kids, with the exercise E. Okay. So this is on your page number 47. Remaining exercises we will do with the page pictures, because it is related to your comparative positive degree, and I am giving you just explanation about the rules and everything. So don't worry about that material also, that I will share with you. Special note, we usually say he is as poor as me, not than I. Means when we are comparing, this is also comparative degree, but when we are comparing, as poor as means equal, equality. Here it shows equality. He is poorer than me, then not I. How much poor I may be, he is not poor that much, but he is poorer than me. Okay, he is poorer than I am. He is as poor as I am. So these are few examples that usually we say. Rewrite the following sentences using as. It is hot today, but it was hotter yesterday. It was not as hot as yesterday. You can write down. Then these are the similar sentences. You can do it with the help of these sentences. I will give you the answers to it. The superlative degree. Let's coming up to the superlative degree. We usually form superlatives by adding est or using most. Just as in comparative degree, or est is added to short words and most to longer words. This is not compulsory that short word के लिए आपको est लगा हुआ मिलेगा और जो longer word है उसको most लगा हुआ मिलेगा. But you will have to do it with the practice, as earlier also I told you very clearly. Tall का जैसे है tallest, beautiful का most beautiful. Okay, one must use the before. One must use the before a superlative degree. The best, the most beautiful. This way it will go. The जरूरी होता है superlative degree में. After superlatives we use in the place and of with periods of time. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल में देखते हैं, ऐसे आपको मुकेश अंबानी इज द रिचेस्ट पर्सन इन इंडिया. इन क्यों आया? क्योंकि उन्हें कंपेयर करना है किसी भी लोकेशन के साथ. जैसे इन इंडिया अगर आप करना चाहोगे इन कंट्री तो भी चलेगा. एंड इफ यू वांट टू राइट डाउन इन वर्ड देन इट विल बी द अगेन सिक्वेंशियली उनका जो नंबर आता होगा वो एक रहेगा. सो दैट वे यू हैव टू राइट डाउन in preposition over here. And the is needed article before the our adjective reach था adjective, उसको हमने लगा दिया superlative degree के लिए est और उसके before आएगा the, that is the article. Okay, then yesterday was the saddest day of my life. Saddest, this is the superlative form. But check here, SAD is the spelling, but double D is the spelling over here, and that is your correct form of writing saddest. The saddest day of my life. सबसे ज़्यादा मेरा दुखी दिन था. So for that you have to write down yesterday was the saddest day of my life. When you are using these superlative degrees, these are the most important things you have to keep in mind. Then now exercise 6. Coming to the exercise 6, complete the following sentences with superlative degree. Like Monday is dash day of the week for us. अभी आपको यहाँ पे adjective जैसे दिया गया है busy, तो आपको उसका superlative form बनाना है. Monday is the busiest. More busy, most busy लगता है क्या? नहीं, तो उसको लगेगा busiest. BUSIEST day of the week for us. Who is the dash famous novelist in the country? Who is the, यहाँ पे already the दिया हुआ है, so it becomes easy. So there is no you to use. यहाँ FB में आप the नहीं लिखोगे तो आप क्या लिखोगे? superlative का form डायरेक्ट. the famous का क्या आएगा? फेमसेस्ट नहीं होता है, श्योर. सो क्या होगा? मोस्ट फेमस नॉवेलिस्ट इन द कंट्री. करेक्ट. सो दिस वे आई विल गिव यू द आंसर ऑफ दिस, एंड दिस इज द लेसन विच वी हैव completed here. There are exercises 10 that we will do in PDF pages to avoid the length of the video. Anything else related to that, I will shortly revise everything. Positive degree, if there is no comparison, you have to use the positive degree. In comparative degree, we have to use the word then to compare between two things. In superlative degree, we have to keep in mind the word, that is the article before the adjective, and the form of the adjective, that may be with the most or est word will be added to that form of the word, that is the superlative form of that word. So these are the 3 main important things which you have to keep in mind while doing degrees. Correct, children? Hope you understood it.